do a full Robbie, do a 2-minute afterburn, and let me see if you guys can pass the hiccup challenge. What's up, everybody? Welcome back, and this is the hiccup challenge. We're gonna do a full Robbie. We'll have a 2-minute afterburn. If you hiccup during that 2-minute afterburn, it's a fail. So let's do it. This should be a quick one. Give her a good shake first. We'll get the full Robbie here. This is Sinister from Nick Kemp's. So let's see if we can not hiccup. That is the goal. I think it should be a pretty tough challenge. Myself, actually. There's the full Robbie. Let's not waste any time and let's get right into her, guys. Let's go. Here we go. Woo-wee. Let's get our afterburn going. Damn phone. There we go. We are off. Ooh. So I know for me, I actually have trouble not hiccuping. And usually it'll take a little bit, and then it'll start. But we don't want to be hiccuping. I think for me personally, I'd rather not hiccup. I'd rather be able to tell a story or talk about something. I find the hiccups get in the way. Oh, so we do not want to be hiccuping. This is the hiccup challenge. Woo-wee. Pretty hot. Hopefully I can pass my own challenge here. Like I said, it usually takes about a minute or so for it to reach the back for me, and then I'll start. So far, I think we're in good shape. Woo. And this is also a tolerance builder for us, guys, as we try to keep the tolerance going up and up and up. Minute 30. It's got my nose run. Mouth is on fire. Back of my throat's on fire. Heat level's probably 5 or 6. 10 seconds out. Woo. There we go. We passed, guys. Whew. That was the hiccup challenge. Do a full Robbie, do a 2-minute afterburn, and let me see if you guys can pass the hiccup challenge. That's gonna do it for me, guys. Thank you all for watching. Cheers. Woo-wee. Oh.